It's a super smooth reel, reeling it in, and I really like the reel handle. Number one, it's got like a carbon fiber handle part, and then the EVA foam grips. I'm not a cork fan at all, and so when you put these foam grips on here, you just make me a happy camper. So I'm a sucker for the foam grips. Not to mention, it just looks sweet. The blue and the black goes well together. This whole rod and reel right here is an awesome setup for what I'm gonna do some jig fishing with. But honestly, it was hard to find too many things that I just didn't like about this reel.